right, so one of the best ways to start working on tension and shoulder pain, and again, really re-emphasizing that the exercises are what's going to get you out of pain and help you the most. Now, the question is what about adjustments? What about soft tissue? What about massage? What about dry needling? All those things are fine, and they can definitely help along the way. But if you were to just use a trigger point ball, you can do a lot of that self-massage or that massage work on your own. It might be a little hard to get into some of the places, but it's super easy to do. So for a lot of shoulder pain, working on the backside of the rotator cuff here and the backside of the shoulder is a really easy, great place to start, and one that offers a ton of great results. Ball, wall, back of the shoulder. So all I'm doing first and foremost is scanning around, like right there, trying to find something that feels maybe a little gnarly, and I'm gonna hold. I can start with just some compression and holding. After I find a good spot, I can roll around, find something else, and then it's always advantageous to add some motion, because if I add some motion, I'm now stretching the tendons and the ligaments underneath that pressure, getting deeper into that shoulder capsule and area to provide more relief and to help open up the range of motion faster.